This is going to be seen by a lot of people. We know it's going to be seen by a lot of important people already, and it's going to be maybe a tipping point. So congratulations to you guys for the bravery and courage to make this film. Thank you.
I've been blown away by how genuine and caring and wonderful the majority of the people that own this asset are. Most of them are not gluttonous. They don't have a huge ego. They're not trying to show off. They want to do well for themselves and their family, but they also want to anything in excess of that. They want to give back, do philanthropic ventures, give back through charity and other means. And that's a commonality across almost everybody we work with.
What I find most interesting about this documentary, first of all, is getting the word out there to the mass public and helping them understand that it's really the Securities Exchange Commission and some of the big banks on Wall Street that are trying to really circumvent this technology and build infrastructure around it.
The documentary that we're watching today originally was released as XRP Unleashed, but that name has actually been changed to be Rigged, which is how they have rigged this system. I am telling you, you get the opportunity to watch this, guys. I would encourage you to go to fruitionproductions.com. You can, if you can't get to a premiere, you can actually download a digital copy of this, and it is a big time way of educating yourself of how the system is being, kind of worked against you.
Things are going to finally transpire the way that we've wanted them to for a long time, and I think we're going to get a fair chance at that. And I think that's what Ripple fought for, and they knew that what was happening wasn't right, and they stood up to JP Morgan, they stood up to the CCP, they stood up to our US government, and made sure that there was going to be a level playing field, and the best technology was going to win.
Well, I want to thank Chris and Maya for making this film. A lot of bravery, a lot of courage. I still think somebody's going to come write a big check so they don't have to watch that mainstream.
I didn't know that COVID was coming in 2020 and that we would print 40% of the money that has ever been existed in the history of the world.
Everything that we know, everyone else is going to know.